Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare, and in this video we will be continuing with the examples from 1.3 exercise, before 1.3 exercise, and also we will be solving some questions which are from 1.3 exercise. Let's begin children. The first example, there is a triangle XYZ which you can see on the screen, and another triangle is LMN. It is given angle Y is 100 degree and angle Z is 30 degree. This is 30 degree, and in triangle XYZ, okay. In triangle LMN, angle M is 100, angle N is 30 degree. We want to see, are triangle XYZ and triangle LMN similar? If similar, by which test? Let's see what are given first. I can begin with the solution. See, angle Y is equal to angle M, and why it is? Because it is given 100 degree. It is given. This is first point. Second point, angle Z is equal to angle N, and which is equal to 30 degree given. If two angles are equal in triangles, then those triangles will be similar. So we can say, third point, triangle XYZ is similar to, this is sign of similar to triangle LMN, and by which test? The test is angle and angle test, because this is one angle which is equal to one another. Angle Y is equal to angle M, and angle Z is equal to angle N, and therefore by angle test these two triangles are similar. So which test? Angle test. The question is only which test we have to mention, but let's write the corresponding sides also. Children, how to take the corresponding side? See, XY upon LM. So I can take XY upon LM is equal to YZ upon MN, YZ upon MN, which is equal to XZ upon LN, XZ upon LN, and we can say that corresponding sides of similar triangle. This is the way you have to take. See, which angle is equal to, now here see, angle Y is equal to angle M, we have written. So therefore second angle is Y here, second angle is M here. Angle Z is equal to angle N, third angle is Z, so third angle is N. This is the way you will have to take corresponding side, children. Example 2, are the two triangles in the figure 1.51 similar? According to the information which is given, the information is given here. According to this information, are those two triangles similar? If yes, by which test? Let's see, some information is given. This is PQR and this is UVW, okay. So let's take solution. Let me make the pen little smaller, okay. Let me take PQ upon UV corresponding sides. PQ is 6 and UV is 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So what did we get? We get 2 upon 1. This is my first statement. And also angle Q, this is first, angle Q is equal to angle V and reason is given. Okay. Now this is second, go for the third. QR upon VW. I am taking QR upon VW and QR is given 10 upon VW is given 5. So if I cancel, I get 5 ones are 5 twos are, which is equal to 2 upon 1. This is second statement. So you see children, this ratio is equal to this ratio. So we can take fourth statement, we can take PQ upon UV, which is equal to QR upon VW, and that is from first and second. These two ratios are equal. This upon this is equal to this line upon this line, and in between these two lines the angles are equal, and this property is called as side angle side test, and therefore we can say triangle PQR is similar to triangle UVW by side angle side test. Now we can take the corresponding sides, children. PQ upon UV and QR upon VW, and then PR upon UW. So let's take PQ upon UV, I underline it blue, which is equal to QR upon VW, PR upon UW, corresponding sides of similar triangle. See children, it is not asked to take the corresponding sides ratio, but I have still taken so that you know how to take the corresponding ratios. We were only supposed to write down the whether the triangle are similar or not, and we wrote the triangle are similar by side angle side test. Let's go for the next one. Solution, children, by the information which is given. XY is given 14. So I will take XY upon MN. How much is XY? XY is 14 and MN is 21. MN and 14 and 21 can be divided by 7. 7 twos are, 7 threes are. So what I am getting? 2 upon 3. This is first one. Secondly, I am getting YZ upon NP, And how much is yz? Yz is 20 upon NP is 30. So 10 2s are and 10 3s are. So we are again getting 2 upon 3. So both the ratios are equal, children. So I can say in my third point I can say that xy upon mn is equal to yz upon np, and from where? By first and second. So from first and second I can say xy upon mn is equal to yz upon np. And it is also given, fourth statement, that angle z, see, angle z is equal to angle p. So angle z is equal to angle p, which is given. So most of you will say that it is side angle side test, but it's not. The angle, see, this ratio upon this is equal to this upon this. The angle which is given here should be included by these corresponding ratios, corresponding sides ratio, but it is not included in between. It should have been somewhere here. If it would be somewhere here, then we could have taken the test of side angle side. So this angle z equal to angle p is not included, and therefore triangle xyz is not similar to triangle MNP. So we can say angle z equal to angle p is not included by corresponding ratios, corresponding side ratios, by corresponding sides ratio, and therefore triangle XYZ is not XYZ is not similar. Okay, this is the symbol of is not similar. Is not similar to triangle MNP. Is not similar to triangle MNP. Question 4. In the figure, BP is perpendicular to AC and CQ is perpendicular to AB. Let's begin solution. First we will write that CQ is perpendicular to AB and BP is perpendicular to AC, and reason is given. The reason is given. So this is my first statement. Second statement. Now let me draw this triangle out separately. AQC. AQC and APB and A this is A, P and B. Okay. CQ is perpendicular to AB na, therefore this will be 90 degree. Same as here, this will be 90 degree because BP is perpendicular to AC. Now if you look at these two figures, children, what can you tell? What is equal to what here, children? it is so easy to say that angle Q is equal to, you can see here clearly, Q is equal to angle P, and it is 90 degree, and why it is 90 degree, it is given. Okay. Also you can see here, if I keep this triangle over here, AQC, and triangle APB back to its place, angle A will entirely cover angle A. That means angle A is a common angle. So I can say in third point, angle A is equal to angle A, and reason is common angle. Common angle. And therefore, in fourth point, we can say that AQC triangle AQC is similar to triangle, it is beginning here A, and A is equal to A in other triangle, therefore A. Second angle is Q, and Q is equal to P, so P, and then last B, APB, by which test? Angle test. And the question was also that, are the triangles similar? Then prove that triangle similar. Prove that triangle are similar. So yes, two triangles are similar by angle test. So by angle test, both the triangle are similar. Question number 5. You can see here one quadrilateral ABCD, and BD is the diagonal of the quadrilateral, and CA is also the diagonal of the quadrilateral. Both are intersecting at one point, and that point is point Q. It is also given that 2 times QA is equal to 1 time QC, and 2 times QB is equal to 1 time QD. Then prove that DC is equal to 2 times AB. So let's begin. First, what is given we will write down. Solution. It's given that 2 times QA is equal to QC. Let's write 2 times QA is equal to 1 time QC. So QA upon QC is equal to 1 upon 2. What I did here, children, I brought 2 down and I took QC down here. So QA upon QC is 1 upon 2, and this is my first statement, and this was given. Okay. Now second, QA upon QC is equal to 1 upon 2 we got. Second, what is given? It's given that 2 times QB is equal to 1 time QD. 2 times QB is equal to 1 time QD. So in the next statement, QD I will bring down and 2 I will bring, QD I will bring this side and 2 will be down. So QB upon QD is equal to 1 upon 2. This is my second statement. Say QB was here, QD came down, 2 came down. So QB upon QD is 1 upon 2. You see this? This is equal to this. Clear? So we got QA upon QC is equal to 1 upon 2, and QB upon QD is also equal to 1 upon 2. Means this upon this is equal to this upon this, and we can say, children, this angle, let me draw with other color. Yes, this angle will be equal to this angle. And why it is equal? Because these are vertically opposite angle. These are which angle? Vertically opposite angle. So we can say that angle BQA is equal to angle CQD. And what is the reason? The reason is vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle AQB is similar to triangle CQD, because see, QA, QC. So if I am starting from A, I must start from C, CQD. By which test? Side angle side test. See, these two corresponding sides are there, and in between that yellow angle is equal. So side angle side test can be taken. Now let us take the corresponding sides. The corresponding side will be AQ upon CQ, which is equal to QB upon QD, which is equal to AB upon CD, and reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle. Let's see that. QA is 2 times QC. Can I place the value here? Yes. QA is given 2 times QC. So let us write 2 times QC upon CQ is equal to QB upon QD, which is equal to 2 times QB is equal to QD. QD is here. Let's first take this. We can cancel it. This 2 can be cancelled, and we will be getting QB upon QD as 1 upon 2. So QB upon QD is 1 upon 2. Let us place the value over here. So QB upon QD is already 1 upon 2. We can place it here. So 1 upon 2 is equal to AB upon CD. CD will come here and 2 will go with AB. So we will be getting CD is equal to 2 times AB. And this is what we wanted to prove. Children, here I have done this. This is no need of writing. Even if you write, no problem. Already QB upon QD is 1 upon 2. So even if you place the value here, QB upon QD is 1 upon 2. Then which is equal to AB upon CD. AB upon CD, because both are equal to 1 upon 2. Now here this also, this AQ upon CQ is also 1 upon 2. See, in this. From here also directly you can do, see, AQ upon QC is 1 upon 2, which is equal to QB upon QD is also equal to 1 upon 2, which is equal to what? AB upon CD. So AB upon CD can be taken equal to 1 upon 2. Then 2 will go and multiply with AB, and CD will come and multiply with 1, and you will get CD is equal to AB, hence proved. Hence proved. So we are done with all the examples and we are completed with part 1 of exercise 1.3. Now in the next video we will continue with 1.3 exercise. So children, like, share and subscribe. Thank you children.